I'm here at HPE Discover in Madrid with Pankaj Goyal, and we talked at the last Discover about artificial intelligence and what HPE is doing with artificial intelligence. And given that it is such a new area of growth, what's new at HPE around AI?
Hey, thanks, Jake. So we continue to make significant progress in the way we think about AI. And there are two broad pillars. One is how we are embedding AI in our own products. And you must have seen our announcements around enabling AI-driven operations, and we are expanding it to our server portfolio. So we continue to invest in embedding AI to enable new customer experiences for our customers. And pillar number two is we are focusing and building our portfolio of products, services, people, and ecosystem partners to help our customers adopt AI in their environments so that they can get benefit out of it. We are seeing tremendous progress. We are seeing more enterprise customers starting to not only think about AI, but actually think about a proof of concept and implement a proof of concept. We are seeing some of them actually move to production level once they are seeing success. A great example is what we have done with the Mercedes Formula One team, where we have worked with them to help them improve their performance and operations using AI techniques. And there are other examples where we have worked with medical research institutes, we have worked with leading manufacturing customers in US to use different AI techniques like video surveillance or image classification or prescriptive maintenance to solve real-life business problems at a large scale.
So a lot of times when we hear artificial intelligence talked about, or at least in the more common public terms, it's all about automation and robots replacing humans and things like that. What are kind of some more like positive angles to artificial intelligence?
I think fundamentally, one thing I'm realizing after talking to many customers and partners is that AI is about new experiences. It is about the convergence of physical and digital world. And AI will enable new experiences for customers, for employees, for in our daily lives, which were either not possible in the past, or too difficult, or too hard, or even not imagined in the past. And that's the beauty of AI. That's the power of AI.
What's an example of that?
Like for example, like video surveillance in public transport, or video surveillance for airports. Simple life examples like the way you will order pizza, or the way you will go to a fast food restaurant and interact with the employees there. Those things are becoming mainstream, and those things are becoming more and more intelligent, where humans are finding new ways to interact with machines, and that's truly fascinating. Even in our daily lives, for our kids, the way they will get their education will be very different from what we have done or what we experience. The way they will learn art or history or social sciences or political science or math or sciences will be very different. So today, I mean, so that's the power of AI, right? And when it's interesting, like if 10 years from now or 15 years from now, for the kids, for the next generation, will math be a good subject to learn? I do not know, because that might be completely different way of learning math and the importance of math. Even like arts, recently, a machine-made painting was auctioned for, I guess, like $1 million or something. So it's like some of those fascinating things happening at the edge, which are enabling new experiences, which is really moving away the conversation from job losses or automation into really new ways to live and work. And that's like truly phenomenal from my point of view.
So what is HPE doing to help facilitate that?
HPE is truly uniquely positioned in the marketplace because we have assets, IP, people, and capabilities which goes from your core data center to edge. And the power of AI is to connect the two and bring new experiences to people who live in their daily lives. So if you look at the example, so in our view, in HP's view, the true power of AI is really connecting the edge to cloud, which means you need to think about the data flow, you need to think about the model itself, you need to think about inference, but more importantly, and you need to think about the experience that you want to enable for the end user or for the end customer. For example, airline security or airport security. Now, video surveillance has been a use case forever, but the beauty about AI is the person who is sitting at an airport and is looking at like 4 or 6 video screens with all the video camera feeds, if that person can get real-time inference, real-time insights on specific trigger points, like it might be the number of people, it might be certain type of people, or any other kind of insights which on real-time basis can make that person's job enriching, easier, and that person can actually be more effective in delivering airport security. That's truly a new experience that we can enable, and that can only happen when you connect the infrastructure, the software, and the services at the airport with your core data center and back and forth. And so we are really big on connecting the edge to the cloud and enabling these new experiences which are AI enabled.
I'm looking forward to see what's coming next.
Absolutely, Jake. We are excited about it, and we continue to invest in this.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Jake.